I didn't know if you know, but I love cutting short hair. So come join me while I cut Sharon's hair. Sharon's hair is beautiful. She's let the natural colour grow through. And if ever there was an example of grey hair not being ageing, then she's it. So we decided today that we were just going to do as we normally do and really narrow in through the sides and gently taper down in the back so that we can accentuate. She loves to wear her hair in a quiff through the top. So by taking the sides quite streamlined, it accentuates the height in Sharon's hair. We do have to approach it quite carefully because Sharon's hair is very, very thick through the top and the sides. But as you get down towards the nape and the occipital bone and below, she had to have some radiotherapy a couple of years ago. So it's really thinned out the hair in the nape. So I have to make sure that I leave the hair in the nape as thick as possible and then feather up into the much more densely packed hair and make sure I texturise that quite well. So I always go for the first attack run when the hair's wet and get the basic shape and outline in there. Then I blow dry the hair and then I go in and do any of my detailing and personalising, taking lots of weight out in all the areas we need to. As you can see, for the blow dry I used IME Body Crafter, which is one of my favourites to blow dry with, especially on short hair. And then we're going to go in with Pearl Styler, which is just the most lovely, soft, texturising gel, cream, paste. It's just brilliant because you can really manipulate the hair with it and it doesn't weigh it down. It's just one of my favourites. And you can really work it through and manipulate the hair into the shape and give it the right balance. So as you can see, by narrowing the hair cut through the sides and giving it much more of a clean shape and accentuating the height in the top, it's just a much more flattering shape and a bit younger looking, I think. And here she is. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you like it.